SC10, let's check what we did. And fiscal year variant was the last one, and let's just check it. Okay, MCO. Close posting periods, define ledger, chart of accounts, company code, retained earnings, field status, account group, controlling area, segment. Okay, okay. Now we have created controlling area, maintain control. You will click from here and we'll land up in that configuration area. Fiscal year variant is also configured, and let's just check IMCO CO configuration. And that is, I believe, this place. Okay, yes, this is the place. Maintain controlling area, maintain. IMCO. Okay, activate component. Component is active. Active assignment is also active. Okay, this is done. Now, what we'll do is /n SPRO controlling, general controlling, maintain controlling area, number ranges, MCO, change groups. Scroll down, so we have RQ1, RQ3, and we will also assign it to. Okay, now we have CO transactions, that is FI postings through CO. RQ1, reposting of cost between cost centers, reposting of revenue for profit centers, and reposting line items for CO. Save it. Okay, now where were we? Where were we? Okay. RQ1, coin, RQ1, RQ3, and we've already done RKU2 also. So we are done with this. Next is maintain versions. Version 0, we'll discuss this version later, but let's just configure it for now. Okay, LAP 9. No, we don't want LAP 9. We want IMCO. Okay, so we'll change our controlling area settings from /OOKKS. IMCO. Maintain versions. Controlling area settings. 0. Settings for each fiscal year. Okay, this is done. Define ledger for CO version. IMCO. Okay, IMCO is also configured. And what else? Mapping of variants. Okay, so we'll go back. Financial accounting, global settings, ledgers, integration of controlling, document types. Okay, now these are document types, CO postings for CO, and it will get amounts and transactions and line items from GL and secondary for secondary cost. And number range is U9. We can change the number status. I am CO. What are the intervals? Change documents. Intervals 09 2025 09. Save. Okay. Now this 09 will be I am CO will be part of company core and it will be 09. Okay, and we'll save it. And we will save it with this configuration. Define document type mapping variants. Okay, 01 mapping. Now these are the transactions for controlling side, like distribution of primary costs, secondary costs, down payments, accruals. We have many transactions that happen in CO controlling area, cost center split. So every of these transactions use document type CO. For reversal or cross company, we use CC. Okay. So everything is mapped by SAP. It is a standard. Check and define default values for postings and controlling. Okay. New entries. IMCO valid from 01. 0L. The mapping variant just we saw for with business transactions, CO transactions, will be used for this company code for this ledger. Okay. To generate CO document line items. Okay. We have already defined the ledger. Okay. And we have done the mapping with 01. Next is, we've already seen this also. And ledger for CO version, this is also done. Okay, now these are some currency settings. I can share this presentation with you. You can go over this. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And these are some of the settings for earlier servers ECC. Okay, so we'll just close this and we'll continue with second lecture. OKKS. Okay, now next part is controlling. Profit center accounting, basic settings, controlling area settings, maintain controlling area settings. Standard hierarchy will be IMCO. Profit center currency will be 90. Enter a currency type. Enter a currency and currency type. Okay, now it gives an option 20. If you take 20, it will take USD and it will have no options to change it. Okay, and if you give 90, it gives an option to store the currency in a different currency. Profit center will be a different currency. Okay, so we'll just make it 20. Active indicator, save. Okay, this was saved. Next part is master data, profit center, create dummy. Dummy profit center, this is for cost centers that have no connection with costing side of the company. Okay, IMCO, dummy, basic data, IMCO, dummy, IMCO. Will automatically pull up the group. It has no segment. Save. And this was saved. Basic settings, controlling area, control parameters for actual data. This is important. New entries, 2025. Line items and a real-time transfer. Data was saved. Okay. Dummy profit center, control parameters for actual data, maintain plan versions. Plan version. Okay. Settings for profit center accounting, because we are dealing with profit center accounting separately. New entries, 2025 online transfer, line items, exchange rate type. Exchange rate type will be online transfer, exchange rate type will be M. Okay. M. Save. Okay. Next is KE51 P01001. Okay, data was saved. Master data, profit center. Okay, no, we'll create it from front end /n, controlling. Okay, profit center, master data, K51, double click, and P1001, IMCO, master data, and analysis period, plan 1 and 2. One and two. Center group, and we will have a segment. Segment will be passenger cars. IMCO, IMCO not found. For medicals, passenger vehicles, this will be the segment for reporting. Activate, we will activate that. And next is P1002. Profit center has been created. P1001. P102. It will copy details from P101. It will be with reference and we'll change the details. Details are plant 3. Plant 3. And segment will be different ranges SUV.